I love gel nail polish, but I don't have the time or the money to keep going to nail salons, so I wanted to start doing it at home, and I'm really excited that I got the Beatles gel manicure kit, as this gives me everything I want. And yes, I did a lot of research before I got this. I almost went with all specific items I saw recommended. I started looking at other brands, but in the end, this one has incredible reviews and it's a great price, and it gives me exactly what I want as a beginner doing gel nails. Now over time, I might upgrade, but I might not, because this is amazing. Let me show you. Now I've already used it once, so everything is already unboxed, but this is your UV light, and it has 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120-second options, and it triggers by motion. So if you have 30, 60, or 120 selected and put your hand under, it will immediately turn on and run for that duration and then automatically turn off. If you don't want to have the automatic durations, it also has a simple on-off button. Really nice and easy to use. And it comes with a 6-foot cord, which I really appreciate. I still use an extension cord when I had to use it, but I do like the length on this. And then you get all the different tools and accessories you need. Starting out, you have your foils. This is to, of course, remove your nail polish. It does not come with the acetone, but you put the acetone on and wrap these around your nails. It also comes with the nail clip-ons to hold the tinfoil in place. You only get 5 of these, so you can only do one hand at a time. So I actually went ahead and got another set, but they work really well. This is going to keep anything you put in there, whether it's the foil or just a cotton swab, right in place until you need to take it off. And it has this great, almost rubbery-like material. These are to put rubbing alcohol on to clean your nails right before you start painting, just to make sure they're free of any oils, germs, really anything you don't want on your nails before you begin. You also get these sampler plates that you can paint the polish on to know what the polish is going to look like before you put it on your nails. And as you can see, I went with this one right here. So I really liked being able to see that first. And all I did with these is paint on the colors I was considering and then stuck it under the UV light to cure. This doesn't have a top coat, but you could get as fancy as you want with these. This is great for practicing different polish styles as well. So really nice that you get a lot of different nail locations to try things on. And then it does come with a great beginner walkthrough guide, and I'm going to tell you right now, I am a beginner, so I really appreciated this walkthrough guide. Now there is one key point that this does say, but I wish it gave more emphasis to, so I'm going to tell you, and that is to make sure that this doesn't touch your skin. It has chemicals in it that you can develop a reaction to over time if it touches your skin. So just pay attention to that. There is a reason why gel nail polish doesn't normally go all the way down to the cuticle line, and it's just to be on the safe side. And then there's a lot more goodies here. You do get all these stickers, which from what I understand are to cover the sides of your nail if you're concerned about it touching your skin. So they do provide these toe dividers. You get a shaper buffer and a shaper file. These are 100 and 180 grit, so they're definitely a bit on the rougher side. You can get much higher grit than these, but these are really nice, especially for removing the polish and shaping your nail. A little brush to get off all the debris. Yet another brush to use as you see fit. A good old nail clipper. And then you get silver and multicolor gems and the tweezers to carefully apply those. And you also get a variety of stickers. So there is a lot to play with here. And then you get this great little box as well. I wish the box was just a little larger so it could hold all of this, but it does hold most of it. And when I opened my box, I had a bonus press-on nails kit, and I love this, as there's definitely gonna be times when I take these off and don't want to just go straight into wearing more gel nail polish. And this is that great in between. Really cool that they added this to the kit. And then the best part, of course, is the selection. You get 35 different colors. There are a few variations of this kit, so you can pick which one you like the most. I went with less glitter and more neutral colors, but it really does have quite a range. Keep in mind that these are tiny, tiny bottles. They really are for 2, maybe 3 applications, maybe more, but I'm going to guess 2 to 3 is a good conservative estimate for these bottles. They're really meant to help you find what you like and really introduce you to it and give you everything else you need that you can use long term. But then when it comes to the items you're going to use more often, they do give you more of them, and that is your foundation base coat. And you actually get 3 different top coat options. You get matte, glossy, and glitter. A lot of option there. And a nice 4-ounce bottle of the cuticle remover and a 0.25-ounce bottle of the cuticle oil. And I really, really love this oil, and the cuticle remover definitely works as expected. And this reminds me that there's one more tool that this came with that's missing here. And here's that last tool. This is a fantastic cuticle remover as it helps you push down the cuticles and then cut them out. I really love this tool as well. And that's what you get. I am such a beginner with gel nail polish and really doing nail polish on my own in general that I am so thrilled with this kit. And this is my first time ever using it, and it was so easy to use. I really love the experience and specifically love how fast it is to apply gel nail polish thanks to the UV light. It's just a quick, clean process that looks really good on the other side and gives you long-lasting nails. I love this so much. If you're looking at this, I highly recommend this set. I know you're gonna love it too.